Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Today we are here to discuss about transfer function of field controlled D.C.Servo motor. Here speed is controlled by varying the field current. Here speed is proportional to the armature resistance and inversely proportional to the field current or flux. Whereas in field control method, armature voltage is kept constant. This is the circuit diagram that represents. Here if you apply the KVL to the field current, which means IF, this is the field current guys. If you apply KVL to the field current, then we will get like VF into IF into RF minus LF into DIF into D theta dt, which is equals to 0. This one we can write it as VF equals to IF RF plus LF into DIF by dt, let it be equals to 1. Where here the torque is proportional to the field current, which means T is directly proportional to IF. We already know that. So we can write like T equals to KTF into IF. This is the torque constant. KTF is torque constant. Let it be equals to 2. Whereas the third point is by considering the mechanical rotational system, we can write like T equals to Tj plus Tb, which is equals to Tj means J into d square theta by dt square, whereas Tb is B into dt d theta by dt. From these three equations, we will apply the Laplace transform. We wrote here these three equations, the above three equations. We will apply the Laplace transform to the above three equations. Then if you apply Laplace transform to the first equation, then we will get like Vf of s equals to Rf into If of s plus Lf into s into If of s. That will be equation 4. Whereas in the equation 2, if you apply Laplace transform, then we will get like T of s. For this equation we apply Laplace transform, then we will get like T of s equals to KTF into If into s, If of s. Let it be equation 5. Whereas the next one is we will apply Laplace transform to this equation 3. Then we will get like T of s equals to J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt, let it be equation 6. Here from this equation 4 we can write like this. Then if we take the If of s common, then we will get like this. Let it be equation 7. Here from this equation 5 and 7, here from this for this equation 5 and 7, in the place of If of s we can write like T of s by Tf of s by KTF. In the place of If of s we will write this one like this. So we will get like Vf of s equals to T of s by KTF into Rf plus s into Lf. Let it be equation 8. Here if you substitute the equation 6 in equation 8, then we will get like Vf of s equals to T of s by KTF into Rf plus s into Lf. Then we can write this one like Rf plus s into Lf by KTF into J into s square theta of s plus B into s into theta of s. Here we can write this one as like this. We will take common. We will take theta of s common. Then we can write like this. Then it can be simplified like this. We will simplify like this. Then we already know that transfer function equals to theta of s by V of s. So this is the Vf of s. So if we substitute this one here in the place of V of s, then we will get like transfer function equals to KTF by s into Rf plus SLF into Js plus B. This is all about the transfer function of DC servo motor. I hope you understand guys. Thank you.